Hello coffeeholics, welcome! This video tutorial is the first in a series of bottled espresso drinks. For this episode, I will be showing you how to make 5 classic espresso drinks in 180 ml bottles. These are concentrates and drinks are meant to be poured over ice. In future video tutorials, I will be showing you ready-to-drink versions. For those that offer delivery services, bottled drinks are perfect. They are easy to make, may be used for catering business, and may be sold from home or pop-up cafes. I would suggest getting glass bottles for these premium drinks if you can. They are reusable, refillable, and definitely look the part. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the coffee, I will be using dark roast coffee beans, my preference for ice and cold drinks. For the milk, I will use 3 types of milk: plain milk of choice, dairy or milk substitutes, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, you may replace with half and half or unsweetened condensed milk, as they are called in some countries. First up, let's pull our espresso shots. For each bottle, I will be using 2 shots of espresso, or about 60 ml of espresso. For each pull, aim for that perfect shot to produce consistently smooth and delicious drinks. Here are my 5 double shots of espresso ready to be bottled. First recipe, it is bottled Americano concentrate. I need my 2 shots of espresso, or 60 ml. I need sugar syrup, 30 ml. This is optional. For this drink, I am using my homemade Pandan Syrup to make this a Pandan Americano. To finish the drink, fill up your measuring cup up to 180 ml with water. Stir and pour into your bottle. If the bottle is not full, simply add plain water to fill it up to the top. Next is vanilla latte concentrate. For this, I'm going to use a local vanilla syrup. We need 60 ml of our espresso, or 2 shots, 15 ml of vanilla syrup. Each pump is 7.5, so we need 2 pumps. (22.5 ml of condensed milk) and an equal amount of evaporated milk. Fill it to 180 ml with milk, plain milk. Stir, pour into your bottles, and you get your vanilla latte concentrate. Next, it is caramel macchiato concentrate. For this, we need 60 ml of our espresso, or 2 shots, 22.5 ml of condensed milk, 22.5 ml of evaporated milk. If you're using milk syrup, this is 45 ml of milk syrup. (15 ml of caramel syrup. 2 pumps is 15 ml. Fill it to 180 ml with milk of choice. Stir and pour into the bottle. And if for some reason your bottle is not full, just fill it to the top with milk. And this is your caramel macchiato concentrate. Next, it is brown sugar latte concentrate. For this, I'm going to use 2 shots of espresso, or 60 ml. Brown sugar syrup, about 45 ml. You can adjust according to your preference. Evaporated milk, 45 ml. It is looking absolutely creamy and really dark with that brown sugar. And fill it to 180 ml with fresh milk. Stir, pour into your bottle, and you get your brown sugar latte concentrate. Finally, it is the Mocha Concentrate. For this, I need 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 40 ml of condensed milk, (20 ml of evaporated milk. If you're using milk syrup, it is 60 ml of milk syrup. Make sure they are well combined. If your espresso shot is still warm, you can pour it in so that it will help to dissolve your cocoa powder. Add the 2 shots of espresso. Fill it to 180 ml with milk. Stir. Pour into your bottle. Give it a shake one more time to make sure it's fully dissolved, and you get your Mocha Concentrate. And there we have our mocha, brown sugar latte, vanilla latte, caramel macchiato, and pandan Americano. To enjoy these drinks, keep them chilled, pour over ice, and share with friends and families. The shelf life is up to 3 days refrigerated. You will find all these recipes along with over 500 other recipes in my book, The Basic Barista. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Ciao for now.